Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So alt tab is not working. How to do? We did not change to app from his this. So how to solve this problem? So okay. Firstly, guys, click to start button. Type open registry REGE and right click to run as administrator. Then click to yes. So guys, click to current user. Then control panel. Then desktop. Okay. So which file? Foreground lock timeout. This is so this file to just guys double click, press to 0 and click to decimal form and then OK, then close it. This is save automatically. And last and final solutions, click to start button, type task manager, find to Windows Explorer. This is Windows Explorer. Restart, close, then your system, again restart. Okay, then check. 100% solve your problem. Okay, bye bye, take care.